All right, we're going to make a quick video here because McWups1 asked me, how do I get out of a trade? Your video hasn't showed anything about how to sell your shares while in the money. So we're talking Robinhood options here. So I'm going to jump over to the Robinhood app and show you. I'm not actually going to execute this trade, but I'm going to show you the steps to take to get there. So I've got an options play going on Starbucks here, so S-Bucks. So if you're on your home page of Robinhood in your account, you can just simply click on where it says options here in the middle of the screen. If you are in the money, so in the money means simply that you're right where you wanted to be with your trade. So if you wanted to close out your trade right now, I'm at negative 113. So I'm not actually going to close this trade out because I'm looking to actually make a profit from this. But if you wanted to get out of your trade right now, or if this was positive and you wanted to take your profit right now, just click on where it says options and then simply click on where it says trade here. And then you just click close. So I only have one contract. Remember, with options, one contract equals 100 shares. So with Robinhood, you do one contract at a time. If I had multiple contracts, I could sell multiple at this point, close it out multiple. But simply type in however many you want to close out, and then you would click review and some sort of approve after that, just to make sure this trade goes through at the right price. But that's the simple way of doing that. You just click on your options trade there, you click trade, and then you click close. Super easy to get out of it. Obviously, somebody has to take the other side of this trade. So if you're selling to get out, or if you're buying to get out, again, we can talk more in depth about what that looks like, but somebody has to be on the opposite end of the trade. There always has to be a buyer and a seller. And to get a little bit more in depth, I'll dive into this. On the top right corner here, you can see the little time clock looking thing. So that's the time force. If you're looking to get out of this trade, maybe the market's going to change in the next week, so you want to get out today. But if not, you don't want to keep this trade going. You can always change it for time force is good for today or good for up to 90 days is what Robinhood lets you do. So it's going to keep trying to put this trade in every day for the next 90 days until it's filled if you do the bottom option here. But otherwise, if you just want to try today to get out of it, that's what the top option's for. So you would simply do that, click continue, and then go back to how many contracts you want to do. And you can always change your limit price as well, depending on what type of order you have going. So hopefully this helps. Thanks for the comments on YouTube. If you guys have questions, or if there's any videos that you would like to see me cover, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks, guys.